This is a video on how to check if your wheels are damaged on your KaiserClan robot. First, slide off the wheel. If you do have this little sleeve on here, just take that off and get rid of those. They were used on older robots, so just make sure there's none of those little plasticky sleeves. So here's the little sleeve that we remove. So if you've got those, remove them. Okay, next up, what happens over time is these little plastic things can have a crack in it. This one's got a crack in it. So to replace them, in your spare boxes, you'll have these little adapters. So they are the wheel axles. So what we're going to do is to remove the old one, just get some cutters and cut off the tops of them. So just cut them off like what you see I'm doing here. Make sure you try and cut them flat. They are very tough to cut. So once you've cut them, then try and get a screwdriver or something to try and lift them up. They are very difficult to do. So you can try and lever each side up. You can see it started to come out. And they're quite difficult. There we go, we've got it out. So now we've got a new one. We can then try and force that in. Now these are also very difficult, so you need to put it down onto a hard surface and push down evenly. You might need a hammer for that job. They are very tough to get in. So I might use just the handle of this to push it in. There we go. And it's through. So that's how you repair the axles, because they do crack, and then this one will be fitting really nice and tight because it's brand new. Also make sure the tires are correctly on. So sometimes these tires can come loose. So if your robot's going around in circles, first check your tires are on correctly on the robot. So some good inspection to do. And there we go. That's your robot wheel maintenance done.